Assalamu alaikum. In this video, we are going to talk about how we can fix Elementor error 500. So it can be from your Elementor page editor, or whenever you refresh the page, it can show that there has been a critical error on the website. Please check admin email. So let's go back to our Elementor page builder settings, and then from here go to system info, and if you scroll down a little bit, then you'll see the server logins. So here you will see what actually happened. But let's say you have a couple of pages and you want to fix it very quickly. So what's the tricky part here? You have to go back to your cPanel, and there are a lot of things you have to do, but there is a shortcut way to solve this issue. The main issue was actually, if I go to this is a working page, but this page was not working actually. So whenever I was clicking here, it will pop up here in a message like server error 500. So to solve this, just duplicate the page. Let's go back to our pages. So let's go back to our plugins. So add a plugin. I have added a plugin which is duplicate page by MNDP Singh 287. So here's the plugin, duplicate page. So I have used it. You can use anyone. So now let's go back to pages, and if we duplicate the page, and this is a front page, this is the published page, but I can't edit it with Elementor. If I click here, edit it with Elementor, it says that there has been a critical error. So that's a problem, and when I was trying to publish, it was not publishing. So I have to duplicate this page, and then now I can edit it with Elementor. So let's click here, and now if I go back to my page, if I make any changes, let's say I wanna say that here, and if I publish here, you'll see it will be published easily. So this is a quick fix for avoiding or working with page which is showing server error 500. Thank you for watching. If you have any question, please let me know in the comment section.